Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Kaju wine at home, only way. Gather raw cashews, sugar, water, yeast, a primary fermenter, and a siphon right away. I will walk you step by step through prepping cashews, creating must, pitching yeast, and managing primary and secondary fermentation. Expect to learn simple tips to avoid contamination and get a clean, balanced flavor without fancy gear. Start by measuring ingredients precisely for a reliable result. I recommend 2 kg cashews, 5 kg sugar, and enough water to make about 5 L of must. Use a tested wine yeast like EC 1118 and have nutrient on hand to help fermentation. Warm water helps extract flavor, but avoid boiling cashews to keep the delicate aroma. Sanitize equipment before touching any ingredients to prevent off flavors. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so try darn tough with a lifetime warranty during your long brew days for unbeatable comfort. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more helpful how-tos. I put a link and some good deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by soaking and crushing cashews to liberate sugars and oils, then strain solids if desired. Heat the mixture gently to about 70 C to extract flavor, then cool to around 20-25 C for pitching yeast. Pitch the yeast and monitor fermentation for 7 to 14 days, then rack to a secondary carboy to clarify. Be patient during conditioning to allow harsh notes to mellow into a smooth, drinkable wine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.